But okay, so I got a stick. I got a stick. One of those like arcade sticks. That's what I'm trying to say. I got one of those arcade sticks. Sorry, I just had a. I got one of those arcade stick thingies. Did I try it out yet? I did. 難しい. It's difficult. 難しい. It's so hard to use. I think it's still gonna take some getting used to though. I got a fight stick. I did. How's it feel? It goes. It's a whole new skill. I thought it would be as easy as a Joy-Con on a controller. No. How do you hold the stick? So, with your left foot between the big toe and the middle toe, right? And then you just use your hand to kind of guide it, right? Wait. No? Like that, kinda? I'm just kidding. 違います. I am kidding! What are you talking about? I am kidding! まったく